Service in Nashville has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northern Rutherford County in Middle Tennessee, Wilson County in Middle Tennessee, until 8:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Antioch, or near Nashville, moving east at 55 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Murfreesboro, Lebanon, Hendersonville, Smyrna, La Vergne, Mount Juliet, Watertown, Walter Hill, Rural Hill, Melinda City, Auburntown, Green Hill, Las Casas, Tucker's Crossroads, Dickerson Chapel Recreation Area, Cedars of Lebanon State Park, Milton, and Gladeville. This includes the following highways: Interstate 40 between mile markers 224 and 249. Interstate 24 between mile markers 65 and 67. Interstate 840 between mile markers 57 and 76. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in